Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play Noire without a social club. So the answer is this. Again, you need to connect the internet. Of course, in order to play this, you need to activate create Rockstar Club account. Even you have a physical version. Here, to play Noire without social club, you need to purchase a physical copy of the game and install it on your PC. And here, even with a physical copy, you will not be able to access any online features like leaderboard or multiplayer without logging in into social club. So you just play offline. Here, physical copy may allow offline play. So buying a physical disc may allow you to play offline after the initial activation process. So this activation process usually require an internet connection, or you can redeem via in-game. There is a redeem code, activation code, usually from the physical cover of the game. And some answer, you cannot play this without social club. So this is the same Steam community. So again, you need to create Rockstar social club account in order to completely enjoy or play all the features of this Noire game. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.